Hindi ko alam, nangyari sa Valorant ko. O hindi ako tilted. Wala, gutom lang. Gutom ako.
Let's go.
Find lang. Find niya lang. Chris, ikaw.
Ha? Ano?
Ikaw party leader. What? Ay, na naman
Bakit?
ako. Sa Valorant ka.
Sige, Dodds.
Palit tayo dyan, Chris. Pa yan. Tayo lang ako, no?
O, mga 10 seconds delay siguro yun.
Certain ba ako pag-crochet? Open na ang Thank you! Theo. Hi. 11. Nice. Huwag mo lang ba ako saktan? Balikat ko pag ika'y umiiyak sa akin. Isa ba ako? Ginawa? Ba't ganito yung kanta ko? Hindi naman ako broken.
It is sad what happened here. Such a terrible accident. Ones that I had nothing to do with.
Yanis? Yanais?
Reloading.
Farm sheriff.
Does anyone have funds?
Ang gagawin, layo. Ay, kaya ba?
Na 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 na
Taro.
na 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 na.
Panem.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Okay, guys.
Launching smoke.
May stuff.
Four sides.
60 ang brim.
That makes 3. One enemy remaining.
Okay.
Spike planted.
Nice.
Good work.
Wow. Sheesh.
What? Easy assist. Isa lang pala.
A.
Yeah.
Good work. Good work. Good work.
Shape yes sir. Oh my god, where's my hook? This is my hook. It's a 4.5 mm hook. Ano bang tingin mo sa akin? Sa pa kong alipin? Wala ka bang moto?
One demon.
Anong ginawa mo?
One dead.
May nararamdaman din ako. Excited ako sa August 11. Excited talaga ako. Hindi na ako makahintay.
Smoke's down.
Hindi ako AFK
Pray.
ah.
Ano?
One enemy remaining.
Wait, let me get...
Spike down. Attacker spawn.
Ah!
Oh,
Flawless.
what?
I said it. Yeah. Everybody go home.
Meron.
Take aim,
Tanda ko ng
send
music
fire.
fest
It's not complicated.
sa Davao with friends. Tagal na naming hinintay yon. Mili kami ng ticket like 2 months ago. Oh right, it's August na.
One
no?
brimstone is enough.
Music Fest, may Kamikaze, may December
Pag-drop
Avenue, may Parokya.
Launching smoke right here.
One low HP.
In. Alright.
Ow!
Brim.
Oh shit, I'm so bad.
Last player standing.
Usan.
Uy,
Panawan.
hindi kami yung tutugtog. Gagi, ano
Low
lang.
bridge. Attacking 26.
Music Fest, ang daming mga music artists na nandun. There's gun. Ang daming gun.
Spike planted.
Hindi kami tutugtog. Basta yung andon is Kamikaze, December. Yun yung mga sikat na kilala ko. EJ, thank you. Kamikaze, December Avenue, and Parokya. Sila yung headline. Akala ko one kayo sa mag-brown, no?
Teleport's ready.
Tower.
And, tagal na kaming fan ng Kamikaze, ng band.
Left side.
Ano kasi, like, sa ko yun, nag-bifa. Since high school,
It
yun yung...
seems these strangers want me dead. Deep down,
yung
they are not
tinutugtog namin na sa band, yung mga Kamikaze songs, Parokya. So like, we're so excited, dude. We're going together. Nice mga bandmates ko.
Jet,
Wala
can you
lang
pick
yung
here?
isa,
I'm gonna
sayang.
hide here.
Okay.
Anong paalam? Okay,
Gonna
bye-bye.
read
Gun.
Oh,
Then I was
shit.
gonna take.
Bye-bye. Ay, hindi pala ako KJ. Lalagay sa ano.